Usually, when we talk about muscles in fossil animals, we're actually talking about the bones that they attach to. The crests and even the surface texture or internal tissues telling us how strong the muscles were or what directions the forces they were applying were moving in. But sometimes we can observe them directly. In modern flying birds, there's a keel on the breastbone for big pectoral muscles that draw the wing down to attach to, but there's also this pulley-like channel for a tendon in the shoulder, so the big supracoracoid muscles that draw the wing up can also attach to that keel. So for many years, if we found a fossil that lacked the keel and the shoulder pulley, we figured that must be a poor flyer. Until some very motivated people used laser-stimulated fluorescence on dozens of specimens and reconstructed the actual soft tissue envelope of the muscles. In early flapping dinosaurs, the chest muscles are a slender sheet, and the muscles around the shoulder bulked up, the deltoids and the upper supracoracoids. This hints at a wing beat that is more front to back than it is up and down, with a weak downstroke, but maybe that's not as important. It could mean the animal was soaring, or just coasting near the ground, with its legs supplying the ups. There's experimental evidence that living theropods retain a vestige of this system. Workers wanted to know if cutting the shoulder pulley could permanently deflight cockatiels and pigeons. This would apparently have had, veterinary significance. And when they did that, it did reduce the animal's ability to raise their wings, but they could still fly short distances, relying on the deltoids. The paleontologists called this divided arrangement the ancestral theropod flight system, which is a provocative name. They go out of their way to say that they don't think that the ancestral dromaeosaurids, for instance, were flyers, but as paraves, they would have inherited this system for flap running or whatever it was for, and iterated on it, some of them achieving flight.